Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbisani. Hope you are doing great. This is a fact that still now we don't have any official notification regarding the upcoming NEET MDS year 2023, but there is one more fact that there is one notice out regarding the private college fees change or something related to the fees of the private colleges of Uttar Pradesh. Official notice is out and which is shared in the WhatsApp group of NEET MDS 2023 counseling. That's why I told you in my each and every video previously that please join the WhatsApp group of NEET MDS 2023 counseling as early as possible. Even today also you can join that group. Already the 2 batches are filled by the students, followed by the 3rd batch is open right now regarding the WhatsApp group of NEET MDS 2023 counseling. The fastest mode where the information is shared, followed by the guidance, personal one-to-one guidance, your queries, your discussion session, everything is going on and that too on WhatsApp. So for that you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, or you can follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen, and you can ask for the link. Definitely for the WhatsApp group you need to register yourself, followed by you will be added in the group within 5 minutes. Right? So till now it's not been so late to join that group. So it's my humble request that you can join the group as early as possible. Now back to the topic. As you have seen on my channel that from last 1 week or 1.5 weeks, I am covering the important points regarding the Karnataka State Counseling and with your questions and queries also, right? Because that will help you later on when you will come across the counseling procedure of each and every state. And at that time even the Karnataka State Counseling will be very important one. Followed by we have covered the concept of open states. If you still don't know what is that, what is the list, what is the benefit, please don't forget to check out this video which is already out on my channel. I will definitely put the link of this video in the I button as well as in the description of this video, so don't forget to check out that. Now today's video is very important not only for the NEET MDS aspirants who are eligible right now, but even if this video is helpful for those NEET MDS aspirants also which are having the rank from 10,000 to 15,000 to 16,000, right? That means even this video is important for those candidates also which will be eligible in the counseling once they get the revised cutoff. Right now we don't have any revised cutoff. We don't have any counseling procedure official notice regarding the NEET MDS 2023, but still we are just doing the backup process of getting the knowledge of the whole procedure, and I am myself solving each and every queries which are coming from your side, and that too on the WhatsApp group, and moreover that too on the Instagram story, and that too followed by my YouTube videos. So that's why if you are new on my channel, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. The importance of bell icon is that you can have the notification of my upcoming videos. The curiosity is what I'm gonna talk about in this video. See, I'm gonna talk about the UP state, that is the Uttar Pradesh state, which is the open state, right? That's why I told you you need to understand what is the open state. It is the state which is open for all the aspirants to come and take the admission. No matter you have a domicile, then also you can take the admission in that state. If you don't have the domicile, then also you are eligible to take the admission in that state. That's why Uttar Pradesh is the open state. And definitely it is very important because this is the only state which has a large variety of dental colleges, and that too with a very good number of 20 to 23 private colleges are there. only and only private colleges number if I'm gonna talk about. So there are 22 to 23 or 24 dental private colleges are present, and that too with the different variety which we're gonna tell you in this video only. So it's my humble request that you can watch this video till the end and don't forget to hit the like button to this video. Now back to the topic. UP state, that means Uttar Pradesh state is for all, right? When it comes to the MDS procedure, MDS counseling, MDS admission, every year. I said the Uttar Pradesh state is for all because if your rank is top 10 ranker of NEET MDS 2023, then also you can get the college in Uttar Pradesh very well. If you are a NEET MDS aspirant having the rank of nearly about 10,000, 11,000, 12,000 till 15, 16,000, then also you are eligible to get the seat in Uttar Pradesh for the MDS course. So the reason behind is Uttar Pradesh has a variety of colleges, starting from the expensive one, then good one, then okay one, then average, then below average. So we got a large variety of the dental colleges in the private dental colleges especially. So that's why every candidate can easily get the seat in Uttar Pradesh for the MDS course. Talk about the two types of the colleges which are present in Uttar Pradesh. The broad classification which everybody knows. One is the government dental colleges of Uttar Pradesh. Second one is the private dental colleges of Uttar Pradesh. Of the government dental colleges of Uttar Pradesh, there are three colleges are present. First one is the King George Medical College, Lucknow. Second is the BHU, that is Banaras Hindu University. Third is the AMU, that is the Aligarh Muslim University. Of the BHU and AMU, that is the Banaras Hindu University and the Aligarh Muslim University. BHU and AMU, both the universities has the 100% seats they have given to the All India Quota Counselling procedure. Their 100% seats are filled by the All India Quota Counselling. Whenever the counselling start, whenever the counselling procedure official notice came, then we come across the All India Quota Counselling procedure, and there you will get the seat in BHU or in AMU in Uttar Pradesh. Now, if we talk about the KGMU, that is King George Medical College or the university, that is in Lucknow, which is one of the very good and finest government dental college. There 50% seats are given for the state counselling and 50% seats are given to the All India Quota Counselling. That means 50% seats are filled by the state counselling in case of KGMU and 50% seats are filled by the All India Quota Counselling procedure. Talk about the KGMU, that is the King George Medical University. OS department is the best branch, right? And this college is overall best for all the clinical branches of MDS course, whether it is ortho, prostho, endo, OS, or the clinical branch you are talking about. Usually the top 10 rankers seats are filled in KGMU. Normally the journal category top 10 rankers seats filled in KGMU, right? Whenever the counselling starts, this is the procedure. Followed by the BHU seats and AMU seats. So if you want to get a seat either in the KGMU or in the BHU or in the AMU, that means in the government dental colleges of Uttar Pradesh, your rank should be nearly about the All India rank in NEET MDS should be nearly about 70, 80 or 83, 85 around. Maximum 80 we can say, 70 to 80 or a bit extend to 83, 85. So being a journal category, if you are having a rank up to 80 or 85, right, you are easily eligible to get the seat either in KGMU or in the BHU or in the AMU. That means in the government dental colleges of Uttar Pradesh. Now the best part of the government dental colleges of Uttar Pradesh, the stipend. It is the highest stipend in all over India. They are giving the 1,05,000 stipend per month. So nearly about for a 1 year you will get approximately 13 lakhs in your hand. And on the other hand, the fees regarding these colleges may be around 50-60,000. बल्ले बल्ले है जी, पैसा ही पैसा है, MDS कोर्स भी करो, पैसे भी कमाओ, दोनों चीजें रहेंगी. Now, second side of the coin, that is the private dental colleges of Uttar Pradesh. As we all know, there are nearly about 22, 23 or 25, we can say 22, 23 private dental colleges are available in Uttar Pradesh. They have a different criteria and a wide variety of private dental colleges are available in Uttar Pradesh. Such colleges which offer the MDS course for 3 years in 30 lakhs also, and there are on the other hand such private colleges are also present which offers you the MDS course for 3 years and that too in just 15 lakhs. That means 15 lakh mein hi, in just 15 lakhs. And if you talk about the non-clinical branch in Uttar Pradesh, you can have it in just 5 lakh rupees only. That means the whole procedure of MDS course in the non-clinical branch, and that too in Uttar Pradesh, you can have it in just nearly about 5 lakh or 6 lakh, nearly about 5 lakh we can say. That too for 3 years of MDS course of non-clinical branch. So you can see here there is a wide scope, wide variety, and the maximum number of students gonna take admission in Uttar Pradesh only because of all these reasons. See, whatever I am gonna talk about in this video, it's totally about the clinical branch. So if your rank is nearly about 12,000, then also you are eligible to get the clinical seat in the MDS course. And that too only in the private dental colleges of Uttar Pradesh. Note it down as important point. If we talk about the private dental colleges of Uttar Pradesh, I'll love to classify it into 3 criteria. One is good college, one is average college, one is below average college. Now what is good college of Uttar Pradesh, and that too of the private dental colleges of Uttar Pradesh which come under the category of the good dental colleges. See, they are having the fees is nearly about 20 to 30 lakhs for whole MDS course. That means for 3 years, and that too for the clinical branch of the MDS course, and that too with the rank of nearly about, the candidate rank should be nearly about 8,000 to 9,000, right? On the other hand, if we come to the second category of the private dental colleges of Uttar Pradesh, then it is the average dental colleges which are available in Uttar Pradesh. They come under the second category, in which the fees is nearly about the 15 lakhs to the 22 lakhs for the whole MDS course of 3 years. Rank of the NEET MDS aspirant for the average colleges 11,000, 12,000. See, it basically we are talking about the clinical branch only. Now there is the third category of the private dental colleges of Uttar Pradesh, that is the below average dental colleges. Below average private dental colleges are available who's having or who will definitely offer you the MDS course for 3 years in just 15 lakh rupees. That means 15 lakh में ही आपकी MDS हो जाएगी. यहाँ तक का ऑफर आपको दिया जाएगा. You can get the clinical branch in Uttar Pradesh with the rank of nearly about 12,000, 13,000 and so on, right? This data is only and only based on the clinical branches of NEET MDS. For the non-clinical branches of the dentistry or of the NEET MDS, see, even if you are eligible right now for the counseling, then also you can easily opt for the non-clinical branch of dentistry, right? That is the OMR, and second one is the oral pathology, right? Even if you can wait for the revised cutoff and then you can get eligible with the rank of, let's say, 16,000 or something, then also you can easily get the non-clinical branch of oral pathology or the OMR in the private dental colleges of Uttar Pradesh, that too easily. So the main problem and funda is regarding the clinical branches only, not on the non-clinical branches. We are more focusing over the clinical branches of MDS course, right? This is the whole criteria. Now we come to the second most important part, that is the UP state counseling. होती कैसे है? उनकी खुद की साइट होती है. They have their own site of UP state counseling. Whenever the dates are out regarding the state counseling of the Uttar Pradesh, I will definitely update you on my Instagram, and definitely there will be the daily discussion and things going on. So definitely it is available on the WhatsApp group of NEET MDS 2023. So I will let you know. What you have to do is you have to click on the particular website of the UP State Counseling. Then you have to do the form and everything, like whole counseling procedure of nearly about 1 lakh rupees, which is refundable for the whole procedure of the UP State Council procedure. That is for the whole procedure of the UP State for the NEET MDS counseling of 2023, right? Now, after giving the fees in the UP State Counseling, and that too for the state counseling, if they allot you some college seat, then you have to go submit the rest of the fees. Your counseling fees will be refunded, right? This is the simple criteria. Now on the second part, if you got the college but you left the seat, you didn't opt that seat, then your 1 lakh rupees will be sink. There will be no refund of your counseling fee, because you are the only one who left the seat, right? So that's why your refund money will go down. There will be no money. No money, no refund, nothing. One more thing is there in Uttar Pradesh. For the verification of the documents, that too before the counseling, you need to go physically to the Lucknow, and then you have to do the proper verifications of your document, whether they are original or not, and this and that, right? So physically you need to present in Lucknow before counseling for the verification of the document. Now why this is the criteria, I don't understand as such, but definitely this is the pattern, this is the criteria, this is the scenario which we are going, and we have analysis regarding the previous year counseling procedure. The verification of the document done, then you can again register in the UP State Counseling website. Then you can do the online fill up of the forms, right? Followed by you can see the different colleges and everything and can get the seat, right? Now what is that one thing which I'm gonna come across while I talk to you regarding the NEET MDS 2023 admission? See, if UP State has a lot of seats, and that too at a very glance, they have a full variety of the fees as well as the colleges available for the MDS course. You can receive the call from the UP State regarding to get a seat. Please pay 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees and can get the seat. See, this is totally the online portal, online procedure of counseling. Me and the people like me can only guide you, inform you, can help you to make the choices. But we can't assure you like 1 lakh रुपए मुझे देना, मैं तुमको सीट देगा. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता, right? This can't be possible. How this can't be possible? Let's say, suppose this is my college. You can name it as ABC Dental College, right? Now ABC Dental College has 5 seats of oral surgery, MDS course, right? Now, being a ABC Dental College, this dental college is participating in the All India Quota Counseling also, right? For the MDS counseling procedure, this ABC college is also taking part in that. Now, if out of the, let's say, 5 seats, or let's say the 4 seats I offer you in just a manner, let's say कि 1 लाख रुपए तो मैं बुकिंग कर दूंगी, तो 4 सीटों की बुकिंग कर ली, right? And you are having a rank of nearly about 12,000, 13,000, something like that. Now, if as I said earlier that this college will sit in the All India Quota Counseling, so he might get the seat through the All India Quota Counseling, and that too the brilliant student which are having the very good rank. So रेपो किसकी बढ़ेगी, रेपुटेशन किसकी बढ़ेगी, इस कॉलेज की. So कॉलेज ऑल इंडिया कोटा काउंसलिंग से सीट ज्यादा भरेगा रेदर देन ऑफरिंग यू इन अ 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh एंड दैट टू इन अ this way, like under the table or something. So this procedure is not a suitable one, not highly recommended at all. Please don't do that. Even if you are getting the calls from Uttar Pradesh, try to avoid it, because in my previous video I have totally told you about it. No one can interfere in the procedure of the NEET MDS aspirant and the NEET MDS counseling procedure, because it is totally the government based procedure, and that's why in my channel I have talked about the procedure of the All India Quota Counseling procedure, state counselings right now. So that's why it is very, very important to be alert, because there are many messages. Someone got conscious because of the bad experience they have, that is the agent stuff on something, and they have shared the thing which I have already shared on my Instagram also and in my WhatsApp NEET MDS counseling group also, that yes, the agents do such stuffs and people got trapped like this. So please don't be. You can take the guidance directly, but you can't get the seat directly. पैसे दिए और ले लिया, ऐसा नहीं है. You have to go and take through the procedure, and that too by the government portal. Government procedure is there. So I hope this video is clear to you. I have cleared everything. If you still have any query, you can drop me the mail or you can ask on Instagram. And don't forget to join the WhatsApp NEET MDS 2023 counseling group. That's all about the today's video. Thank you for watching.